Decorating for Halloween is always a fun and creative process, but we often focus on indoor spaces like the living room or the yard. However, one area that can really make a bold, spooky statement is your garage door. It's a large, highly visible part of your home's exterior, making it a prime canvas for showing off your Halloween spirit. Whether you're aiming for something spooky, fun, or even humorous, Halloween garage door decorations can set the tone for the entire house and create an eye-catching focal point for your neighborhood. Garage door decor can be as simple as adding spooky decals or as complex as transforming the whole door into a larger-than-life Halloween scene. You can choose from eerie themes like haunted houses and monsters, or go for a more whimsical, kid-friendly approach with pumpkins, witches, or ghosts. The key is to think of your garage door as a blank slate for your Halloween creativity. With the right ideas and materials, your garage door can be the highlight of your Halloween display, leaving a lasting impression on trick-or-treaters and passers-by alike. In this video, we'll dive into several exciting Halloween garage door ideas that will inspire you to get creative this spooky season. From large-scale decorations to simple yet effective designs, you'll find something for every taste and level of effort. Let's get into it and start transforming your garage door into the ultimate Halloween showpiece. One of the most dramatic and eye-catching ways to decorate your garage door for Halloween is by using a themed mural. These murals can turn your garage into anything from a haunted castle to a creepy cemetery or a spooky forest. Pre-made Halloween garage door covers. If you want something large and impressive without too much effort, consider investing in a pre-made garage door cover. These covers are usually made of durable vinyl or fabric, and they come in a variety of spooky designs like haunted houses, graveyards, or monster faces. They're easy to install, just secure the cover to your garage door, and you've got an instant Halloween transformation. DIY painted murals. For a more personal touch, consider painting your own mural. Using a washable, weatherproof paint, you can create a spooky scene that fits your specific vision. This could be anything from a giant jack-o'-lantern face to eerie silhouettes of witches flying across the moon. It's a fun weekend project and allows you to express your creativity. Plus, you can adjust the design to your home's aesthetic or the tone of your overall Halloween decor, whether it's playful or terrifying. Magnetic or adhesive stickers. For those looking for an easier and more temporary option, magnetic or adhesive Halloween-themed stickers work wonders. These stickers can be arranged to create any scene you like: a haunted house with bats flying overhead, ghosts peeking out from windows, or a witch's silhouette flying by. They're great because you can reposition them as much as you like and easily remove them after the season ends. If these Halloween garage door decoration ideas spooked up your imagination, make sure to give this video a like and share it with your fellow Halloween enthusiasts. An interactive garage door display is an innovative way to engage visitors and make your home stand out. These displays add a layer of movement or surprise to your Halloween setup, making the experience even more memorable. Projected animations. One of the coolest new trends in Halloween garage decor is using a projector to cast spooky animations onto your garage door. You can project anything from creepy crawling spiders to ghosts floating around. There are even pre-made animation loops specifically designed for Halloween that you can find online. This idea works especially well if you want a high-tech, high-impact display without too much effort. Garage door monster face. Transform your garage into a giant monster. This can be done by using cardboard cutouts or foam boards to create eyes, fangs, and even claws. Attach these pieces to the top and sides of your garage door to give it the appearance of a monstrous face. You can take it a step further by having the garage door open slowly when trick-or-treaters approach, revealing more of the monster inside the garage. Motion-activated props. For a fun interactive element, consider using motion-activated Halloween props that you can place around your garage door. Things like cackling witches, howling werewolves, or animated skeletons can startle and entertain visitors. This is especially effective if the garage door decor itself is on the simpler side. These props bring a surprise factor that catches people off guard. How do you plan to decorate your garage door this Halloween? Share your spooky ideas in the comments below, I'd love to hear what creative designs you have in mind. Lighting plays a key role in creating the perfect spooky atmosphere. Whether you go subtle or over the top, using lighting and projection mapping can elevate your Halloween garage door decorations to a whole new level. String lights and spotlights. One of the easiest ways to add some flair to your garage is by using Halloween-themed string lights. Orange and purple lights work well to create a classic spooky vibe, while spotlighting the garage door with green or red light can add a creepy undertone. You can wrap lights around the frame of the garage or use them to outline designs on the door itself. Projection mapping. Projection mapping is a high-tech option for those looking to create an animated, multi-dimensional scene. Using a special projector, you can cast moving images onto your garage door that interact with its surface. Imagine a horde of zombies trying to break through your door, or bats flying across it. This method adds a level of sophistication and makes your garage door decor truly dynamic. Laser lights. If you want something a little more unique, consider using laser lights to create a spooky atmosphere around your garage. You can find Halloween-themed laser lights that project spider webs, skeletons, or eerie patterns onto the garage door and surrounding walls. It's an easy way to create a glowing, otherworldly effect. For more Halloween decorating tips and spooky ideas, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any haunting updates. If you're short on time or just prefer something understated, there are plenty of simple Halloween garage door decoration ideas that still have a big impact. Spooky silhouettes. Silhouettes are an easy and affordable way to add a spooky touch to your garage door. You can create simple cutouts of witches, ghosts, or bats from black cardboard or plywood, then attach them to the garage door for a creepy yet minimalist look. Backlight them with a soft spotlight to create eerie shadows in the evening. Creepy cobwebs. Classic Halloween cobwebs are an easy and versatile decoration. Drape them over your garage door and frame, then add plastic spiders for a quick, spooky transformation. The best part is that cobwebs are inexpensive and can be stretched to cover large areas, making them a great option for budget-conscious decorators. Halloween-themed garlands and banners. For a more festive look, hang Halloween-themed garlands, banners, or wreaths around your garage door. These decorations add a pop of color and can range from cute to spooky, depending on your preference. They're simple to set up and work well in combination with other decorations like cobwebs or lights. Looking for more Halloween inspiration? Check out our Halloween decor playlist for ideas to transform every part of your home, from the garage door to the front yard. As we've explored throughout this video, your garage door is truly a blank canvas that offers an incredible opportunity to make a bold statement during Halloween. The beauty of garage door decorations lies in their versatility. You can go from spooky and terrifying to fun and whimsical, all while staying within your budget or skill level. Whether you're working with detailed murals, simple decals, or interactive displays, there's a Halloween garage door idea for everyone. Taking the time to transform your garage door is more than just enhancing curb appeal. Love the decorations featured in today's Halloween garage door ideas? Check the description below for links to all the products used, so you can recreate the spooky look at home. Of course, the best part about Halloween garage door decorations is the ability to surprise and delight your neighbors and guests. If you're using interactive elements, like motion-activated props or animated projections, you're taking the whole experience up a notch, leaving visitors with a lasting impression. Those small moments of shock, laughter, or even awe are what make Halloween so special. It's about sharing those memorable moments with the people around you. Now that you're armed with all these ideas, it's time to start planning your perfect Halloween garage door display. Whether you're leaning towards a spooky, eerie theme or something fun and lighthearted, remember that every piece you add helps tell a story. And that story is what makes your home stand out as a beacon of Halloween spirit in your neighborhood. In the end, Halloween decorations are about more than just scaring people. They're about creating an atmosphere that celebrates creativity, imagination, and fun. Your garage door is the perfect place to start, setting the tone for the rest of your home's Halloween vibe. As the season approaches, take this opportunity to think about how you want to welcome the spookiest time of the year. Thank you for watching, and we hope you're inspired to create something amazing this Halloween season. Your garage door is waiting, let's make it the most memorable part of your Halloween display.